Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna the Tax Goddess, and I wanted to talk to you today about something very, very specific. So this is related to the PPP loan. There are certain states within the U.S. that are actually going to tax your forgiveness of your PPP loan. So this website that I'm going to show you here in a second, the Tax Foundation website, has a live map of which states are taxing and which states are not taxing the PPP loan. Now, what do I think that you need to consider if you took out a PPP loan and you're going to get forgiveness? Okay, so the federal level has already said if you qualify for forgiveness, it is not taxable, period, right? 100% not taxable, so we're not really worried about the federal level. However, each of the different states have their own regulations related to this. So let's take a look at the website here. So you can see right here, does your state tax forgiven PPP loans? Anything in orange means that if you got a PPP loan and you are going to get forgiveness, now you heard me say that right, going to get forgiveness, okay? If you've applied for forgiveness, it is supposed to be taxable within your 2020 tax return, okay? So this is a little confusing because for a lot of people, they got the loan in 2020, but they're not actually getting forgiveness until 2021. Each of these states in orange have a different set of rules, okay? Some of the states are saying you have to tax it in 2020 if you know you're going to get forgiveness. Well, what do you mean by no? Okay, there's lots of questions there. Some of the states are saying, no, you don't tax the forgiveness until you actually receive it, which makes a lot more sense to me anyway. So therefore in 2021. So guys, really what I'm telling you here is that if you are a business, if you are a sole proprietor, if you received PPP loans and you live in one of these orange states, okay, you need to be reaching out to your CPA or your tax strategy team to make sure what are you supposed to be doing, taxable, not taxable, 2020, 2021, what are you supposed to be doing with these loans? So very, very important here. Now, the other thing that I would highly recommend, you can see that the last update here was April 20th, 2021. So today is April 27th. So this is a time-sensitive video because, for example, Arizona, April 20th was the day of the change for Arizona. Arizona used to have the PPP loans as taxable. They changed the law. They are now conforming to the feds and it is no longer taxable. So guys, these are some of the little minor tweaks that sometimes just a straight up tax CPA is not going to know. They're not following. They're not finding all the details for you. Okay. And you could get in trouble. Okay. So for example, California, you saw, was one of the orange states here. If you live in California and your CPA has not mentioned this to you, it's time to find a new CPA and time to find a tax strategist, okay? Somebody that's watching every single nook and cranny of those rules to make sure that you're doing it right. And of course, what strategies can you use to reduce the taxation, right, on that PPP money? So if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out to my team and I at taxgoddess.com. We'd be happy to help you. Normally, we help 6, 7, and 8-figure entrepreneurs reduce their taxation, and that is definitely my passion. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.